Welcome to 0 Day Swag. I'm your narrator and your plastic accountability buddy. Call me Toy Soldier Sarcastic Specialist. Around here, we break down every guard MOS like it's a tactical loadout, minus the sugar coating, no fluff, no recruiters in polos, just the truth. Let's see what this one's made of. Like working with your hands, want to build something that actually lasts? You're looking at 12 Whiskey, Carpentry and Masonry Specialist. You're the guard's go-to for structural work. You build, you reinforce, you pour, you finish. Whether it's concrete slabs or roofing structures, you're hands-on from layout to final nail. You'll construct formwork for walls and columns, frame out trusses, handle roofing, flooring, sheathing, and everything it takes to make a mission site livable and durable. You'll also support combat engineer missions when things get real, because sometimes carpenters carry rifles too. Training includes basic, then just over 7 weeks of advanced individual training. You'll get trained in concrete, masonry, carpentry, and finishing, from materials to curing and protection. This job is for the builders. If you like sweat, sawdust, and seeing progress with your own eyes, this is it. After the guard, construction companies love this background, residential, commercial, or government. You'll already have the skills and the stamina to work hard and get paid for it. Got questions? Ask your recruiter. Don't be weird about it, you're fine. That's one MOS explainer vid down, many more to go. You're either in the squad or your background noise. Check the rest of the playlist. Pick your chaos. 0 Day Swag's got an MOS explainer for it. Oh yeah, like and hit subscribe. Or don't, I'm just a toy. If you're still here, enjoy. Yeah, this track slaps. You're welcome.